Hey guys, today I'll show you how to install KeyHelp. This is one of the best alternative to cPanel, and this one is free and it is not an open source, and also it has a pro version. So we will install the free version, so we need at least 2 GB of RAM, but we will install this on DartNode dedicated server. So if you want to host multiple websites, I suggest get a dedicated server. And we will use Ubuntu 24.04 LTS. So let's go to our dedicated control panel, and this is my IP. Just copy this one and run your favorite SSH client. I am using Bitwise. So I'll just paste my dedicated server IP and just click login. So I am connected to my dedicated server. So we'll just click mute terminal console. And before anything else, we will add a DNS record. So my host name is mail.webchunks.org, so I'll add mail. And for our root domain, we will add the root and of course pointed to our dedicated server IP. So once we have set these DNS records, let's start installing KeyHelp. So this is the command. We'll copy this one, and first we will update our system. So sudo then we will paste the command, hit enter. Okay, we will choose next page, so N, and we'll set host name so that we can access our KeyHelp securely. So let's choose 1 and set our fully qualified domain. And hit enter. And if you want to set an email address, choose 4. Okay, we'll add our email address. Then we will start installing. So type S. Okay, we will automatically reboot our server. Okay, let's open a new terminal console. We have successfully installed KeyHelp, and we will access our control panel using this address. Okay, now we are using our host name with Let's Encrypt certificate. So we will log in using the login credentials. So this is the admin and the password. Okay, let's log in. So now welcome to your KeyHelp dashboard. So we'll just close this one, and this is our server information. So we are using Ubuntu, and these are the applications that are running in our system. So if you want to add a domain, go to user administration and create your first client. So we will add a client. So this is mandatory. Let's say Shanks, webshanks121 at gmail.com, and we'll use a secure password. Okay, let's paste the secure password, and we don't want to send the login credentials to our email, and we don't want to create a system domain, so just uncheck this. For account template, we will use unlimited. Let's apply, and we will go to contact data. You can set your first name, last name. So all resources are good. Our permission, okay, all good, as well as our PHP. So let's go back to general and let's save this. So now let's go to domains. Since we have a record for our root domain, we will add a domain. We will select an owner and click continue. So we will choose main domain. It will be webshanks.org. You don't need to create www. And for our security, we will choose let's encrypt certificates. And let's enforce secure connection by redirecting non-secure to secure. So we will enable this one. You can also enable HSTS. And for email, you can use this for email. And okay, all good. Okay, let's go back to general and just click save. So let's access our domain. They should have an SSL. So we have successfully installed SSL to our domain, and you can now install WordPress or whatever application you want to install to your domain. And on my next tutorial, I will be setting up an email server using KeyHelp. So that's it. This is how to install KeyHelp, a free cPanel alternative. So this is free and there is a pro version. So if you have any questions, drop them on the comment section and I'll try to answer them all. If this video helped you in any way, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. Thank you all for watching and I'll see you on my next video.